Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can embed Hostinger Horizon web app to WordPress. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and publish your Hostinger site right here. Right after publishing your site, you will be able to simply get the URL or the website for this specific software or website that you have made. From there, to go ahead and embed it into our WordPress, the first thing that we want to do is to simply head over into the new post category right here. So if you're navigating through your WordPress admin, you can just navigate through post, click on add post, and then you will be taken to this page. Well, if you already have your own post, you can just simply click on it. But for this example, I'm going to add a random title right here. Click on the plus icon, and then you want to choose the custom HTML. You then want to type out this specific iframe code, or you can then go ahead and customize this the way you want to. But the most important thing right here to embed your Hostinger Horizon web application is to change the src website right here. So you can just go ahead and change this into something like your WordPress or your Hostinger site, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.